Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
होलसेल फिश ट्रेडर त्याने कंप्लेन केलेली रिगार्डिंग प्लॅटफॉर्म ऑफ होलसेल फिश मार्केट सगळ्या उदीक बत्ता म्हण सो आयज आमी इन्स्पेक्शन जॉयंटली विथ पीडीएन एसपीडीएन जॉयंटली आमी दवरलेलें आनीक आमी चोयल्या उपरांत वी फावंड दॅट देर आर लॉट ऑफ पॉटफोल एंड वॉटर स्टॅग्नेटेड एंड आमी ताका इंस्ट्रक्शन दिला थिंगा पॉटफोल वेरेवर द पॉटफोल्स आर देर यू फील विथ मड and उदक कसवा फ्लो करना and also we found drain also blocked आमी ताका सांगला ताका ड्रेन म्हण ते क्लीन करून फ्री फ्लो ती ताका वचपाक उदीक
whatever this thing, like whatever dented portion, whatever suggestions they have given, and we are agreeing, means we'll take care of it. This is a temporary. We cannot go for a full because these JSIDC, they have made us a letter to hand over the entire area to complete the project at the earliest. So now regarding this portion and all, we have to ask this thing. We have to put it up for the authority meeting as to what we have to do. We have to hand over this area and shift it somewhere else. So that decision will be taken.
We made a letter to help minister, and I am happy that he has taken a prompt action. But the worst thing is this: our market starts at 3:30, 3 o'clock, 3:30, and by 8 o'clock we finish the business here. And anybody has to visit here. I think in that between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock, if you come inside, you cannot enter inside the market. There is so much dirt and so much water inside.